Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see an issue that occurs with Windows 10 sign-in pin. So basically, I am on the login screen, and if I enter my login or sign-in pin, this message appears: your organization requires that you change your pin. And if I click OK, I have to set a new pin here because my organization requires me to change this pin. So if you are getting this message repeatedly and you do not want to get it again, this video is for you. When you get that message, you have to set a new pin and follow the guidelines according to the pin complexity, that your pin must be a 6-digit pin. Now if you change your pin again and again, you may eventually forgot these pins, and this can create additional trouble for you. So if you want to continue with a single pin and do not want to see this message again, here is how you can fix it. One thing I should mention here, that this system is not connected to any organization. If I go to settings app and under accounts, if I see the access work or school section, you can see that this system is not connected to Active Directory or Azure Active Directory. Still, I'm getting that organization message. Here is how we can fix it. First of all, we will open registry editor by running regedit command. In the registry editor, we will go to HK local machine software, policies, Microsoft passport for work. Here the passport for work registry key is only available when you have Windows Hello for Business policies configured on the system, and that can cause up this issue. So what we need to do is we have to check that if the system has Windows Hello for Business policies configured, and if they are configured, we have to set them to not configured. For that, we will open group policy editor by running gpedit.msc command. In Group Policy Editor window, go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Hello for Business, and inside that folder, you need to make sure that all the policy settings are set to not configured. Here you can see that use pin recovery is enabled, and that is why I'm getting that message. So I will just double click on that policy setting and set it to not configured and click on apply. As you can see that all of the policies now are not configured in Windows Hello for Business. And here in the registry editor, this is not updated because I have to restart the registry editor to remove the passport for work registry key. So when I restart registry editor, you can see that the passport for work registry key is automatically deleted because I have not configured the Windows Hello for Business policy settings. Additionally, to fix this issue, you need to also make sure that pin complexity is not configured in the group policy. For that, again we will go to Group Policy Editor, then go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, and under System you will find Pin Complexity folder. All you need to do is make sure that all of these policies are set to not configured. So the Windows Hello for Business is not configured, Windows pin complexity is not configured, so the issue should be resolved now. In case if your system is connected to a school or work account, you can disconnect it from Active Directory or Azure Active Directory using the videos mentioned on this card, and the issue must be resolved. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.